Veeva Systems. Is this pullback just the beginning of a new trend? Hello, this is top Trader Jinlog. In the markets, there are zones where momentum, chart structure, and multiple signals converge. Recognizing those precise points of support or resistance can shift the odds and the returns. Rhythmix is a rhythm-based analysis report that visualizes those structural entry points with clarity. You can explore the visual charts and details on our blog. Request more stock breakdowns anytime via comments or messages. VPAR chart explanation. This is Veeva Systems, VEEV NYS, as requested for analysis. The circled areas in the past and present are potential short-term trend, yellow consolidation and upward trend points. These points have a higher probability and potential return when they are near the swing line, white, or medium-term line, orange. Each chart has its own wave tension and trend. Currently it is showing a trend of slight acceleration at the beginning of the medium-term trend, monthly wave, and trading within an upward sloping box with relatively small fluctuations is being considered. Consider trading based on the short-term line, or consider buying on dips around 240 to 250 if it breaks below the short-term line after an upward move, or if it breaks below the short-term line. Light bulb investment opinion. Veeva Systems, VEEV, is regaining attention with renewed momentum, fueled by its expanding presence in integrated healthcare SaaS. Technically, the price has entered a re-consolidation zone supported by key rhythm structures. Past breakout patterns and current retests resemble prior successful expansions. 2-week target, plus 6.1% right pointing arrow $296. Prob 67% 2-month target, plus 14.3% right pointing arrow $319. Prob 64% long-term target, plus 34.8% right pointing arrow $376. Prob 57%. Brain summary. Right now, the chart may seem calm, but a new rhythm is forming beneath the surface. VEEV is aligning for a renewed move as it finds structural support in a familiar zone. Paperclip summary points. Confirm support along the daily weekly center lines, MACD crossover, and moving average alignment re-emerging, $278 to $282. Acts as a recurring inflection point across multiple timeframes. Breakout beyond $296. Could extend toward $310 to $320 zones. Bar graph VPAR analysis. Visual phase alignment rhythm. Timeframe interpretation. Blue circle monthly pullback after breakout. Testing the upper band with support near $260. Yellow circle weekly Bollinger middle band support holding. Structure aligns for re-expansion. Orange circle daily consolidating above $278 support. Re-entry pattern building. Red circle 120-minute, recovering from pullback with MACD crossover emerging right pointing arrow. Visual rhythm structure shows expansion possibility upon break of $290 right pointing arrow. Potential upside to $305 to $319 if momentum holds. Upward trend rhythm analysis. Technical indicator rhythm. Hourglass monthly rhythm support at $260 remains valid. RSI reset from overbought. MACD beginning upward hook. Bollinger upper band structure suggests expansion pause and reset. Downward trend weekly rhythm. MACD recovering after short consolidation resistance near $305.20. Support between $278 to $282. RSI returning above 55 may support the bounce. Stopwatch daily rhythm center line support confirmed at $278 to $282. Band contraction complete. Preparing for expansion. Volume fading, suggesting accumulation rather than exit. 1 clock 120-minute rhythm. Moving averages realigning upward. MACD crossover in early stage checkmark pattern match. 6 of 7 historical setups in this rhythm led to plus 7.8% AVG gain within 6 to 8 trading sessions. Moneybag financial highlights. Metric value. Pushpin comment. FY25 Q1 revenue $650.6 million. Plus 1.6% solid YoY growth validates SaaS stability. Net income. EPS $161.6 million per $1.15, beat expectations with improving margins. FY25 EPS guidance $4.77 to $4.84. Forward outlook remains conservative but realistic. Customer retention rate 124%. Upselling and renewals remain strong. Gross margin 73.1% above industry average for SaaS efficiency. Newspaper news and risk summary. Pushpin launch of Veeva AI Health Suite with early contracts signed. Pushpin expanded CRM plus LLM integration across US and EU markets. Warning competitive pressure from Salesforce Health Cloud intensifying. Warning potential margin impact from upcoming data regulation. Bullseye strategy scenario plus simulator. Small diamond entry zone $278 to $282. Right pointing arrow. Key technical and rhythm support level. Prob 69%. Bullseye target zones. First target $296. Prob 67%. Second target $319. Prob 64%. Long-term target $376. Prob 57%. Prohibited stop loss or risk response $273. Breakdown may signal rhythm reset. Right pointing arrow. Watch for volume drop as confirmation of reversal. Upward trend simulator pattern match in past 10 similar patterns. 7 achieve the primary target. AVG return plus 7.1% within 6 to 8 sessions. Peak momentum zones often reached after MACD wide reactivation. Rainbow outlook. Before the market surges, rhythm usually resets quietly. Veeva is not just evolving tech, it's mastering the flow of healthcare data. Now may be one of those rare setup points where the next beat is already on its way.